Welcome, and follow me as a Google Pixel 5a, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into boot mode or fast boot mode, depending on how they're calling it here. So to get started, we're going to hold power key, and from there select power off. And when the device is off, you want to hold power and the volume down. Now I'll warn you right now before you go on your merry way pressing those two buttons that Google programming team is not the brightest ones when it, I guess, comes down to it, considering when you're holding these two buttons and you let go of them, it accepts power button as an input, which by default the first thing selected is start, which leaves the mode automatically. So go figure. So when you're putting it into it, literally just when you see this flash, instantaneously let go of it. If you hold for a little bit too long, like I don't know, half a second, a reasonable human response time, then you might be just booting back into Android. So yeah, fantastic, great design. Anyway, in here, you'll need to use volume keys to navigate to the options that will be visible right here, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Like I mentioned before, which start is the first thing selected. Anyway, going quickly over the options that we have start, reboots the device and goes back to Android. We have power off, which just turns off the device. We have barcode, rescue mode, recovery mode, restart bootloader, which just does nothing because we're already in this mode, and then we're back to start. And that's all the options that we have right here. So I'm gonna now stick with start, and this will take me back to Android, but this time around actually when I want to. And as you can see, there we are. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.